Today, we're taking a look at the cases you can get right now to ensure your Z Flip 4 is protected as soon as it arrives. We're going to show you 3 cases from Olixar. Let's dive into the first and one of my favourites, Olixar's carbon fibre case. Now, we have ours in purple, however it's also available in black, green and light blue. In my personal opinion, the case looks great. Now, it's not actually made from carbon fibre, but a TPU material instead. It does, however, still have a little bit of the texture on the pattern. The case looks nice as it's not all one solid colour, but almost has these black borders around the edges. The case fits on the phone well and just has a large cutout for the fingerprint and volume rocker. This means that the buttons still feel great and really nice to press. While there is no hinge protection, there is a nice lip around the screen on the front of the phone and also the larger screen on the inside. These should provide enough protection to avoid them scratching, although we'll also be testing out some screen protectors for these phones, so make sure you subscribe to see those videos. Next up, we have the Olixar Fortis case, which is an ultra thin plastic case. We have ours in pink, although it's also available in purple, white and black. The case feels really nice in the hand and has this lovely soft touch texture, which I must say I love. The case is not very thick though, so it adds almost nothing to the phone. However, it also means it's less protected when dropped. There is, however, a nice bumper around the front of the screen on the outside, which will help protect the cameras and the screen. Around the inside of the display, there's not really a big lip around here. However, this means you can use the phone as if there is nothing on it at all. Just like the last case, there's a nice big cutout for the fingerprint reader and volume rocker, so no issues there either. Honestly, I really like this case, as it feels like you don't really have anything on the phone in the first place. Last up, we have the Olixar ring case in this deep blue. Again, I think they've nailed the colours here. It's also available in purple, pink and black. Now, just like the official Samsung cases, this ring can be used to slide your finger through and have an extra point of contact. You can also use this to attach the phone to something else. However, in practice, I don't think people really do that. The ring itself was fairly tight to get on and off for myself. However, everyone else that tried it in the office found it to be absolutely fine, so I think it's just my fat fingers. Other than that, the case is actually really similar to the last one we've had a look at. Maybe just a little bit thicker to accommodate the ring and material to hold it. Having the ring there does also create a little bit of protection for the spine. However, I would not really rely on this as the corners are probably where you're most likely to see the damage when dropped. So there you go, 3 cases you can get right now for the Z Flip 3. To buy these or to look at the rest of our range, head over to Mobile Fun. And for more Z Flip 4 content, including the official cases videos, make sure you subscribe.